Question 18, so it's talking about covalent compound and ionic compound. So they have different physical properties. Physical property, as stated in your syllabus as part of a learning objective, is to do with boiling point or also melting point. Okay, so boiling point and also melting point, so I don't want to spell too much. The other one is to do with electrical conductivity. This is all stated in the syllabus very clearly. Ionic compounds have very high melting and boiling point because you need to break strong ionic bond. Covalent compound, very low melting and boiling point because you only break weak intermolecular forces. Whereas conductivity, ionic compound cannot conduct when solid, can only conduct when it's liquid or when it's aqueous. But then covalent compound cannot conduct at all. It's an insulator. It doesn't conduct electricity, not when solid, not when liquid, not when gas. Definitely do not conduct at all. This question is asking you specifically, not correct, okay? So we might not know so much about option A, but let's talk about option B first. Volatile. Volatile means low boiling point. Volatile means boil easily. If you boil easily, you have low boiling point. If you have low boiling point, the low boiling point as I mentioned just now, you're looking at covalent compound. So they are talking about which statement about covalent is not correct. So this is correct because it's saying that covalent compound have lower boiling point than ionic compound. Covalent compound boils easily compared to ionic compounds. So B cannot be the answer. We're looking for not correct. Okay, covalent compound do not conduct electricity. That was what I said just now. This is again a correct statement. I said earlier, covalent compound totally do not conduct at all. Covalent compound have lower melting point than ionic compound. Again and again, that's what we said. Covalent compound, low melting, low boiling point. So this is again a correct statement. So sometimes without going straight for the answer, I can go for the opposite, which one is correct, and then cross it out. And then I didn't check this first, but I could make sure that the others are correct statement and therefore not what the question want, and therefore I can get the answer eventually.